Yes, we're back here at Tuesday. So I'm a little bit late here. We already opened. Okay, so yesterday was the first new day of the month, Monday. We have two huge candles, so for now to maybe go inside of consolidation a little bit, or again just expand immediately like I did here, or we're just gonna have first a little retrace before we are gonna go continue higher. Immediately I see that ES is already a little bit lower than NQ. I'm going inside of this inversion. Can inverse this gap on ES and it's probably gonna go make a new all-time high. Okay, so yeah, also on the RTH we have like a lot of sell side left. We open today with a small RTH if I'm looking here. Yeah, so I'm watching these gaps here. Yeah, so this jumps to my eye. It's a little bit clean here. Just the RTH is really small. So with the numeric opening gap, that's kind of like the max. Where if we're gonna go higher, that's like the max it can touch. With this gap here, it could touch it. ES already did, and then we need to leave. If we are gonna go inside of it and we see weakness, we're closing in the low portion, with things like that. We maybe just close below here. Those are already signs that I'm more leaning towards that sell side here. So for now, we just open up and went lower, taking out a sell side here at on the kill zone. And then the question is, are we going to continue to go higher, or are we just going to go for the sell side? So the thing is, are we going to do this, or are we just going to go this? Those are two things that can happen. I really need to watch all markets because now I'm just looking at the NQ. Okay, so we trade down in the inside of the 1 hour gap here. Just trade it inside of it. If SMTs here on the lows, could be the potential first presented for very gap. There's a suspension block here. To go long here. I couldn't get the entry on the trade of it. Yeah, it's chaotic here, man. I went in on the pepper zone. I was able, but I was not logged in at the. This is the most clear setup that there is. So this is a 5-minute Favre gap, as you see. That's a potential partial. If you are in, that's a good partial to take. Particularly, I don't want to see it to go all the way back towards here. Just in fish entry, letting this stay open is perfect. It's like perfect. Yeah, like if it made the retrace here, we go inside of that, probably that 5-minute inversion. And maybe this 5-minute gap if it's gonna stay here for a little bit more. But yeah, then this is like a balanced portion here. So yeah, then if it touches here, then you want to quickly see it go higher again. Some liquidity, yeah. Could you go long on this? I think this is a good long because this is kind of balanced here. And for it to just touch this 930 new day opening gap and then to go higher, that's what I expect. And it is doing here because yes, also didn't hit our objective yet here. We're still inside of that 1 hour here. So we have that high mark there. And this is, oh yeah, this is so unfortunate, man. This is like the most free trade I ever saw in my life. Yeah, so it hit it at 5 minutes. Now we're gonna see how do we trade inside of this 5-minute gap. And Q also doesn't have to pick. Okay, so this wick only is here on the micro. Stop some people out there. Okay, so you have a smooth edge here. Buy side liquidity here. Okay, this is what I would have done. Let's say here the 10 o'clock is here. And by now expect a continuation, right? So expect a continuation in this silver bullet towards the autumn highs. Yeah, I expect it to go here. Why be around autumn highs is more likely for me to go here than here, although this is like a lot of clean sell side, but I think it's gonna do it later in the week. The continuation model is where we like have that little, maybe that little retracement lower, create a gap, doing it, goes higher, trade inside of it and just go higher. Did we do that here? No. So we don't have any PDA from this retracement here at 10 that I can say I like that one. Let's say I was in here with my trader weight and I had partials. Take a partial here, put your stop here on this low, and just go for the optimizer. But yeah, unfortunate. This is so. Yeah, we see ES going for that buy side here pre-session as well. But we have that new day opening gap here. So more clear, you can have it more clear than this. So we traded with this down candles inside of this order block. What makes this? The candles. A propulsion block. So a propulsion block, you can't see the propulsion block be disrespected. You don't want to see that if you are going higher. This could be a potential inversion of a 5-minute gap. Go to 3-minute. With that same, this is also a 3-minute propulsion block. That makes it even stronger. And ES hasn't hit our objective yet. So that makes it a little bit more tempting for me to go and say, around here we could maybe look for some sort of buy. Okay, so you just enter on that 5-minute and you put your stop below this 5-minute CE. So you enter like here, and then you could put your stop below that Favre gap, and then you could enter maybe autumn highs. So I'm gonna buy. Oh no 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 no. Just buy one there. Now if I make the profit, it's for nothing again. If I take a loss right here, then I'm probably gonna take today off and just gonna be away. In for autumn highs, like even if they're this high. So yeah, I lost some money there. I lost like I think $70. So I bought one more there. I'm gonna take a partial here. And you can take a partial. The event horizon between autumn highs and the buy side that I marked here. If you take down this buy side, I probably will go break even. With the knowledge of okay, we having propulsion blocks here, and we don't want to see it go and trade for the mean threshold. So I put my stop just below this 1 minute value gap. If this candle here, and here's the propulsion block, and here's the CE. So I don't want to see it trade inside of the CE. Again, I'm inside of that 15-minute inversion, be it at the volume minus here, 5-minute inversion here. Stop is below there. We unfortunately missed this value gap here. That would have made us a little bit more. But yeah, that's fine. I can do nothing about it. If I really want to see a close in a proportion here. Yeah, we got stopped out. I'm done for the day. Done. So yeah, we're now waiting for that 5 minute to get inversed. Otherwise, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm done. I said I was already done. I need to calm myself a little bit down. I really need to have a clear plan right here. If this gap falls, then we're probably gonna see price go lower. I'm buying one here. Not the greatest feel again. That's fine. I think this is a little bit suspect here. So this could be something later during the day, but I think we're still gonna maybe first take it up higher, to maybe then later lunch or PM to go and take down his lows. It's the macro as well here, non-close. I don't want to be in this trade anymore. I'm just gonna go put my stop real tight. Putting on this, it's the macro right now. I just want to see it right now move. I don't know, man. Like today has been like a day where I should probably not even be on the chart. Went towards this 3 minute order block and now should probably go, man. Go. So I'm not even that mad at this stop right here. Let's go break even here. We made the retrace here. I don't want to see it go any further. That happens and I'm simply done. I'm giving it one more chance here. Yes, okay, so it's after the fact. So how I managed this trade is I eventually went out. Here just before the autumn highs. It was about to enter lunch. I said that we may want to visit this lows here later during lunch. So I went just out there. I mean, it's fine. Today has been a day where, yeah, I don't think it's a smart day to trade for me. The day didn't went that well, and yeah, my trading performance today wasn't as good. So I made a mistake here by not logging in beforehand. So I missed the move on my Finnet account. I took it on my live account, just a little win here, and yeah, took a loss here. That's unfortunate. I'm not as mad at the trade, but yeah, just one micro would be good. And then we got stopped out. We recovered from it. I said that I shouldn't be trading, and I probably should have closer to whole chart today after this loss. I made a mistake of buying a mini instead of a micro, and just turn off. I was mad. I was even punching and like punching a lamp and stuff. Like I don't know what I was doing, man. And yeah, we learn from this for this type of days. It's a long time ago where I was this like a little bit angry at myself, and yeah, I can look back at this and I'm just learn from this. I mean, it wasn't a great day for me trading wise, and yeah, it's fine. I mean, later during the day, I thought we may want to go and get to here, mark down this towards this high for the equilibrium, so maybe that. Later mark down the quadrants from this high towards this low. See, can pretty raise form on those levels, and eventually we just didn't give me enough. What I also didn't like for lower prices is that ES, I haven't showed ES too much today, is that we didn't took the autumn highs on ES and we engineered it. If we would have taken it take it on. Yes, I would have probably gone short a little bit earlier in the lunch, but yeah, it's fine. I mean, we have a lot to learn today. It wasn't a great performance. We lost some money today, but that's fine. We keep learning, and I hope you all made some profit today, did good, learned something, and then we will be back at Wednesday to have a comeback. So I hope you all have a great day, and then till tomorrow.